okay, now I'm going to show how you could use your iPad, and of course the steps wouldn't be too different on a PC or whatever else, but I actually had to learn some things myself to do this because I'm pretty much iPad illiterate, though I'm fairly tech savvy. So basically, you go into your email. I use webmail, and this is the document that I had just emailed to myself in the last video, my FEA Cert 1. So if I click on it, then I'm going to hit that download arrow on the file, and now I just can see it. But what I need to hit is in the upper right corner, that box with the up arrow coming out of it in blue. That's going to let me download it. So I'm going to download the certificate onto the iPad now, and I'm just going to scroll down a little bit and save to files. So personally, because I want to keep things organized, I'm just going to throw this in the downloads folder because, that's where I just put random things I probably will never need to return to again, and hit the save button. So now it's saved, and now in this other tab I have TrueNorthLogic already opened. If you're on the home screen, then you are going to click the credit request button here. Whoops. And then you click the blue create no pre-approval. What all that's telling you is that you're creating a request that doesn't need pre-approval. You're not in doubt that this is going to count, so you're just going to turn it in. So in there, obviously, you would put in the title and those kinds of things. If there's a course number, the location or university it was at, start dates and end dates, the actual number of seat hours. And this description box is truly optional. If you took a training where the certificate itself is very clear, great. Sometimes with conferences or other kinds of workshops and things like that, you might find that you need to describe a little bit because the documentation you get isn't always as great as you wish. Anyway, the important thing is to finally attach the file. No matter what you're turning in, you're going to need to attach something. So I click the attach file, and I'm going to say browse. And luckily, it starts on recents, which is going to know that I just saved that document, so it's right there. I could also, of course, browse for it and go to my downloads folder, and it's there too. So I click it. It's now attached. And of course, if I had really finished filling this all in, I would just go ahead and submit, and that's all you need to do.